Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a scripting challenge. So the challenge for today is basically the last person to stop scripting is going to win 50,000 Robux. Now obviously we could literally sit here and script forever, but that would take way too long. So what we're going to do instead is actually have a series of challenges, and then if you complete each challenge, you keep going, but if you don't do a challenge, then you're out. So that's how we'll demonstrate who's still scripting. Alright, now these are the three contestants right here. I have my friend Ephraim, Use Template, and Kian. I'll let them introduce themselves right now. Ephraim, say hello.
Oh, what's up? My name is Ephraim, or not Ephraim on Twitter.
Yo, stop fucking your Twitter, okay?
What do you mean, bro? Opportunity.
Alright, Use Template, hello?
Hello, I'm Use Template. What's
Okay,
up?
yeah, nothing special about you. Alright, Kian, say hello.
Hello, I'm that one guy that hasn't scripted in like 5 months.
Okay, he's a professional script. I'm not sure what he's saying there, but anyways, they're all in the studio right now. We're gonna start the challenges. Basically, we'll have an, easy challenges first, and then they'll get harder as time goes on. And whoever's last alive and does all the challenges will be the winner, and they'll get the 50k Robux. So stay tuned to the end to see who wins. Anyways, let's get started. All right, guys. So for the first challenge, we have create a part that randomly changes its size every second. All right, that's pretty simple. You should be able to do that honestly in like a minute. Go ahead and start now. All right. Also, guys, I actually forgot to mention the rules to them. They're pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory, honestly. Just no using free models, and also no using your previous code from any other games, but they already knew that, so we're good. All right, now the challenge is up. I've given them as much time as they needed, and it's time to see if they work.
Me and Template script are the exact same. Tell me what's up with that. Template, what are you doing, bro?
Oh, he did?
Oh.
Exactly. It's math out random 1 to 20. How would you come up with 1 to 20, huh? What's up with that, bro?
way.
What's up with that? What's up with that?
All right, we're going to the team test now to see if their code works. It was pretty simple, so it all should. All right, so we're in team test, and whoa, what the? As you can see here, we got one of the parts. I'm not sure why it's going so fast. I mean, that works. It technically is changing every second, so there we go. These are the parts. They do work fine, and I don't think even anchored yours. It's just on the ground. All right, well, anyways, that is all the script. You guys did all a good job there. That's the first round complete. Now we're gonna go to the second round. It's gonna get a little bit harder, but here we go. All right. Also, we did this challenge one time before, and a lot of you guys actually wanted to see what the code looks like. I'll show you guys the code. It's not very hard to see, to be honest with you guys. Or this was a very hard challenge to understand, but I'll show you guys the code right here. As you can see, pretty simple stuff. All right, so that was challenge number 1 complete. Time for challenge number 2. All right, so for challenge number 2, what you have to do is create a landmine, and basically, if you step on it, you just need to explode and die. That's pretty much all you have to do. Pretty simple. Good luck with that. I'm gonna give you more set time this time. Last one was kind of like a warm-up round, I guess. So you have exactly 3 minutes for this one. Good luck. All right, 0 time left. It's done. Okay, we're done. We're done. All right, Kian, are you done, bro?
Maybe.
Okay, well, I guess we'll see. All right, anyways, go on to team test everyone right now. Let's go ahead and test out these explosions. Anyways, all right. Whose landmine is this? Okay, this one's Use Templates. Okay, let's go and try it out. Oh my gosh. Alright, that went pretty well. I forgot to put my audio on though, so I kind of missed out. Alright, Kian's It's like a hockey puck or something, bro. I just kicked it. Alright, let's test out the explosion. Alright, let me try. Oh, okay.
Why is the blast radius so big?
I guess it worked.
Why does it kill everybody in the server? Okay, all right. That works, I guess. It's a little bit weird how it does work, but technically, when you touch it, it kills you and you explode, so that does meet the terms of the challenge. Yeah, good job. You passed. Kian, unfortunately, man, you made a hockey puck, bro. It didn't work, okay? That's all right. Okay, you can still watch. Good job, Use Template and Ephraim. Time to go on to the next challenge. All right, for challenge number 3, we have a challenge that basically is pretty simple. All you have to do is create a simple gun that does damage to humanoids, okay? It doesn't have to be like a first-person shooter, just a very simple gun that shoots, clicks, and shoots a bullet, does damage to humanoids, okay? Pretty simple. Okay,
I'll take that.
And also, the only requirement is it's a simple gun that does damage to humanoids, okay? So as long as you do that, you're fine. Doesn't need to be like a beautiful gun.
Okay.
All right, guys, so they're still coding right now, but as you can see, coding is a long process, okay? It's been like 8 minutes. Like, that's actually not that long, but all right, it's kind of boring when you just watch people code because you don't really get to see it because it doesn't show you live. But this is what some of them have right now. But they only have 2 minutes left, and then after that time, you better make the gun. Use Template is already done with his gun, he says. He already tested it too because he has time to test it. And Ephraim, better hurry up, bro. All right, time is up, bro. Time is up. All right, well, all right, time is up, man. I'm sorry to break it to you, but we have to go. So here we go. Everyone hit test right now, and let's see if their scripts work.
Click your mouse somewhere.
What the? What kind of gun is this?
Give me a second.
You said it just had to damage. That's what you said.
I said a gun that damages humanoids.
Yours is all client side. What?
Yeah.
I was setting up a whole server. That's okay.
Why?
Because
You
it
didn't
has
have
to damage. It's not gonna damage universe at a gun.
Oh,
Bro.
this guy has like a shooting star gun, bro. What is
Yeah.
this?
Bro, you said all you said to me was deal damage. Like this.
I
This is
don't even
all you
want
said.
to.
This is like
That's all
Dragon
you-
Ball Z, bro. What is
It
this?
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All you said it has to damage the dummy.
Oh
Okay,
no!
And I was no. I was making a gun. You said, "Oh, you don't have to do that." Like, what?
I said
I
you
was
don't have
gonna
to
make
make
a
it like a professional gun. Is what I meant.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but I meant like you don't have to make it like actual. It doesn't have to look like a gun. That's what I meant.
Okay, never mind. Because I guess we were doing two different challenges.
Does yours work?
Yeah, this
We're not
one
making
obviously wouldn't take this long.
This is fine. What if
Obviously, this wouldn't take long. You're just sensing the mouse hit, bro. You're just getting the target and damaging. Obviously, this would take seconds. Like I was setting up a whole like
all you
remote
said
event
had
and
to
everything.
damage it.
When I was raycasting everything, thinking, no, hold up. I was raycasting everything, thinking that it had to be a whole gun, bro. Like what? This guy just slapped and mouse that target, bro. Like no, not
didn't
doing
have
this, bro.
to. You didn't have
Mouse
to.
that target, bro. We're not doing
This guy,
this, bro.
you didn't have to raycast though.
Scripting,
Nah,
Dave.
He
You
slapped
can't-
it.
didn't have
Look, like, there's no
didn't have-
server damage, alright?
You didn't
Slapped it
have
off
to
the target.
raycast.
All right, guys, ladies, calm down. All right, template. Yours is not really a gun at all. You're like throwing like
You didn't
fireballs
tell
at
me.
him. Is what
No,
it-
you told me. No, you literally told me.
Okay, wait,
You
calm down,
didn't
calm down,
have
calm
to
down,
Make
calm
it a gun.
Now I'm gonna be honest. I don't really know what I should say here because it kind of seems like his code's like some fireballs, and then Ephraim's code doesn't really work at all. I feel like honestly neither of them passed. Okay. Actually, you know what we'll do? Kian.
Yeah.
What do you think? Whose code do you think was better? Who do you think passed? Do you think either of them passed? What do you think?
Literally none of them against. What do you
How
mean?
we split it?
I don't know. In my opinion, okay, Ephraim's didn't work, but he actually was trying to make it, server-sided. He had remotes and everything. He had a lot more code here, as you could see, he was raycasting it. And then his was client-sided, which I didn't really synthesize that. It literally was like fireballs. It wasn't like a gun at all, so I'm not really too sure what he was doing there.
Yeah,
That's
that's
all
not
he
even a
said.
gun. There's no handle. You don't even equip it. Like what?
That's
You
what I'm
don't have
saying.
to-
That's what I'm
you-
saying.
you
That's
don't
why.
have to
That's
skip
why
it.
I don't think template should pass.
Tap. You know what the thing is? I was making a freaking gun, okay? I was making a gun. You just
Okay, all
came
right,
up-
be
no,
quiet,
no.
be quiet,
Stop,
be
stop,
quiet, be
stop,
quiet.
stop. You came up to me saying,
Listen.
I don't have to make a gun.
Listen.
Listen, now go back and recording. You legit said,
Bro,
stop,
be quiet.
stop.
I said
No,
don't
but
make
you
an R. You don't have to make an RPG type gun. That's what I meant,
no,
dude. That's what I meant.
After that, I had like two parts. Two
Okay, all
parts.
right. Listen.
No
listen.
RPG, and you said I don't have to. No, you're trying. No,
Don't
both
cry,
you trying to
don't
come
cry,
at me
baby,
when
don't
you
cry.
did.
I'm not actually like I don't care that much. I was just saying like the challenge was very like unspecified. So like I was trying to make like a whole gun with like remote
No,
events and
it's
everything.
actually doing the right thing.
Yeah, you slapped in some
You
like a
told
mouse
me
that
to-
target. Okay.
And it's just damage.
You slapped
like,
in some
you're wrong.
Dragon Ball Z fireballs, bro. I don't know what that was.
and fucking guns can fire fireballs as well.
Stop cursing so
Yes.
much.
Because you're taking a piss. Like what?
I'm not taking any pisses. I'm literally playing on my computer right now. I think we should split the prizes because both of them just failed. So technically, that makes them both winners because they were both last alive, right? So I think we should split the prizes, 25K to each. All right. So as you can see right here, I have both of them pulled up. Now listen, they both lost and they're both complaining and arguing, and I don't like to hear them argue. Okay, they're my friends, so I'm just gonna give them both 25K each. Okay, splitting the prize down the middle. So there you go, guys. Congratulations, you both won 25K each. Kian, unlucky, bro. You lost. But yeah, I guess if you would have stayed in, you might have. No, I don't know. Okay, anyways, there you go. We might do this again one day. Distribute. As you can see, they both got the 25K Robux. Congrats to them. We might do this again one day. And if you want us to, let us know in the comments below. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Also, be sure to subscribe for more Roblox development related videos. I upload super often, so make sure to subscribe for that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.